how to turn on safe search mode on Google Chrome. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now all you basically want to do is simply open up a new tab. So I just did that right there. I created a new tab and you just want to search for anything. Like, it really does not matter, because when you search for something, you will get like a sort of different tab, because this settings icon will now show up when before it didn't, as you can see. So you want to go ahead and click on there, and then this tab will open up. Now, unfortunately, all of this is in Dutch for me because, you know, I'm Dutch. But it shouldn't be that complicated. So here it says safe search. Now you can actually enable this right there. And then it now says explicit content will now be filtered with safe search. And then you can also click on more information. And then here, you know, it will give you like a whole explanation about safe search, what it does and how it will like help you. So yeah, that's how you can turn it on. Now here you can actually turn it off again, or you can even go here where you can also have some extra information. It also says it's not 100% accurate, but yeah, that's basically how you can turn on safe search mode on Google Chrome. I'm going to leave it off, but if you would like to, you can turn it on. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.